Are you too old or is it too late to start working in games? No, that's the end. That's really all I need to say. No. A lot of people will email me and saying like, I'm 21. Is it too late? Am I too old? And that's ridiculous. Even if you're over 50, you're not too old, but the approaches you'll need to take will be different depending on your age. For example, if you're younger, like 20 or around there, then yeah, go to meetups, talk to people your own age, hang out with them, learn how you do these things. But if you're older, you're probably more experienced in other areas of audio, but want to transition into games. In that respect, you actually want to talk to more experienced developers or other experienced sound designers, just so you can learn how you can transition the skills you already have into games. No matter what though, you're not too old to start working in games, and no, it's not too late. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.